Hey guys, this is Norm here. It's What's Out Detail. Cool part about this car that I'm going to be doing is a Subaru. He was putting it up for sale. He was trying to make it, the greatest of the greatest kind of detail. And I just looked it over and I said, it it's it doesn't need all that when you're not trying to get the most out of it. That being said, I knocked down the price by like about 100, because, I love money like the next person, but I'm not here to just take money from just those that don't uh, maybe know any better or they just don't care. But I just like doing the right thing and just, being able to live like, clear head. So that's what happened on here is I took him down by about $125. Um, got his Subaru polished up for him, got it sold, and it was just awesome. So enjoy the video.